They say the only thing constant is change. Well, we've certainly found that in the last 6 or 8 months as we've gone through the COVID-19 pandemic, and we're coming out the other side. A lot of people say it will be a long while before we start to see what the new normal actually looks like. But as we pull our heads out from under the post-COVID-19 doona, I like to think that what this has encouraged us to do is take our thinking processes outside of the box. So in the past, we talked about productivity and it was all about the technology. It's no longer about just the technology. It's all about how we use it, and are we using things just for the sake of using it rather than it having a deeper purpose? Does it create something that adds value, or does it detract from our interactions with each other? Whilst in a lot of instances, face-to-face meetings and communications are often the best way of truly connecting with others, it just hasn't been possible. So leveraging the technology as best you can to be able to create an interactive and immersive experience is something new and something that we played with over this time. However, moving forward, it provides a great platform to be able to bring your teams together, to connect virtually, to keep them engaged without the necessity or the expense of having to travel and organise the logistics associated with traditional training or conferences, etc. So as we move forward, start thinking about what is it that your organisation, your team can do to keep connecting, to keep bringing your people in, and to help them feel connected, engaged and inspired, and certainly feeling positive as we step out from beneath this haze.